Hey guys, Adrian here from Redwater Dodge, the home of Riggerty Rams, Riggerty Proves, and Riggerty Used. I'm about used today, freshly to our lot, 2020 Ford Transit Connect XL, guys. So whether you're upgrading your fleet or adding, well, maybe potentially starting on business, this van is ready to go to work. It does have the 4-cylinder motor, so it's great on fuel, decent power for anything you need. As far as passing, I'm not too sure. I've never driven one. We got the steel wheels with the nice baller hubcaps. It does have the ladder racks that do fold down. It does have quite a bit of options for a little vehicle like this. So it does have a backup camera. It does have air conditioning, heat of course, different drive modes, auto stop start, which is nice. Dual sliding doors. We got a door on both sides. We have the Ranger divider here. Multiple tie down points. So you can hook up anything you're doing, electrical or whatever. You don't need anything sliding around, sorry. Barn doors, which if I knew how to open this, there you go. Tons of space. And then coming around to the other side, again, got like, I don't know how to use this stuff, but anyways. So again, sliding door, again to the partition. Wicked. Oh. And then coming to the driver's side, we do have automatic headlights. We have power windows, locks, air tilt cruise, which is nice. And then we got, as I mentioned, backup camera on that little heads-up display. Nice premium cloth seats, plenty of plugins and all that stuff. And again, pretty low mileage on it too. So for more information on it, or if you want to come down, check it out, come down to Redwater Dodge or give us a call, 780-942-3629.